Hi guys, it's Mandy from the Mandy K Way, and today we are going to be talking about Christmas decorations. Now I know it's a little early, but it's right around the corner, and Christmas is my all-time favorite holiday of the year. I absolutely love Christmas, and I kind of have a new obsession this year. You can probably tell from behind me, I am obsessed with the little red truck with the tree on the back. I don't know what it is about it, but I absolutely love it. I've liked it for a couple years now, but this year is the first time that I've ever gotten anything with the red truck. And I have to give a shout out to my mom. She was visiting a few weeks ago, and she's the one that actually started my collection for me. And if you want to see more videos of my little red trucks, just leave a comment down below. I still have a few more things that I could make videos on, so let me know in the comments if you want to see that. But one of my favorite things that she got me is what this video is on today. It is absolutely adorable. And if you're interested in the truck that I'm about ready to show you, I will have a link in the description below if you want to go check it out. So let me go ahead and show you my truck. So here it is. Look how adorable this is. Absolutely adorable. This is made out of a cold cast ceramic, so it feels more like a plastic than a glass ceramic, which in my household, I must say, gives me a little bit more peace of mind that it's not going to be knocked off of a table and shatter into pieces. If it was knocked over, it may very well still break, but I like the fact that it's more of a plastic. One of my favorite things about this truck is the snow. I love the glitter that they put on it to make it look like it's snow, and how it glistens when the light catches it. And I love the little wreath on the front. So cute. The only thing that I would make a suggestion to would be somehow to light the headlights up. That would just top it all off for me. Now, as you can see on the Christmas tree, they have little lights on them, and they do light up. Check this out. Look at that. The colors of the lights are red, blue, and green, and I've noticed they have two different speeds. One is a really fast speed like this, and then in the second, they're going to slow down a little bit like that. I just think this is so cute. To turn the truck on, there's a place under the bottom, and it does take 3 AAA batteries that are not included with the truck, so you do have to purchase those on your own. So let me tell you the dimensions of the little red truck. It's 9.5 inches wide, it is 8 3/4 inches high, and 5.5 inches deep. So now I want to give you a really close-up view and to show you the actual details of the truck. First, we're going to start off with this side view, and with this view I would say it would be your front view when you're decorating, because it has most of the detail on the tree on this side. Alright, let's move on over to the front of the truck. I really like this view a lot. I think the wreath with the snow on it is a really cute detail, and I really like the glass looking headlights, but like I said earlier, I really do wish that they lit up. So let's flip it over to the other side view. This view is pretty plain. You still have the snow, which is cute, and you don't have as much decoration on the side of the tree. And here is the back view of the truck. I really liked the Christmas tree on this truck especially, so I wanted to give you an up-close view of the ornaments on the tree and the lights. With this close-up view of the Christmas tree, you can really see the lights as they're flashing, and the gift and the peppermint and the candy cane. I really like those touches, and I really like that it looks like it's hand painted too. So that's going to finish up my video on my little red truck. If you are interested in this truck, I will have a link in the description below. And I just have to say that this is a really good purchase if you like the little red trucks. I just love that it looks vintage, it looks hand painted, and it's just a really cute addition to any Christmas decorating that you might do. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the Mandy K Way. And in the comments below, I do have a few more little red truck items that I could do a video on. So let me know below if you are interested in seeing those, and I will see you next time. Bye!